I'm gonna upload here the training and the recruits.
Wayne.
Damn it. Got one. Down. Without that, I got me. Like a monster. Boy.
Shut the fuck up. Y'all are so bored. Like,
Takes it. Yeah,
okay, y'all started shooting back. Like, what the fuck? And killed us.
it's alright.
Bitch, you
Take
bumped into me. Fuck are you talking about? You're in the room with the guy.
We deserve to be in jail.
It sounds like you in a shootout, but yeah, what's the name?
That's it, right?
Stand by for the one check.
I'm your papi.
KC is wanted ×5. And what was the other one?
What's up?
Coffee?
That's it right there. Say it. Say it. Oh, you don't want to say it?
Therefore, they both wanted.
He got us. He got us, bro. We going to jail. Again, we always going to be in trouble. We are, we are criminals. Look at all these people in here. Do we belong here with them? Do we belong here with these people that are criminals?
That's how you call me?
Dopey. Do you remember when you used to sell dope on the streets?
No, sir.
Uh,
Dopey used to sell dope on the streets because he used to be all dopey around the garbage can.
Yeah, nigga, that nigga was selling ass to buy dope.
He used to sell dope and then he used to do dope. So that's crazy.
W selling ass.
You guys